How to be more like Arthur. I'm a creator, a maker, and a collector. My methods are simple and ingredients simpler. Here's how to be more like Arthur. Look around you, take what's broken or discarded or mislaid. Then start making something new. Here's how to make memory jars. Step 1. Search and scour for broken pieces of ceramic, stone, and pottery. Step 2. Sort and glue. Step 3. Try not to leave out any blank spaces. The smallest details make it look better. Step 4. Enjoy. Now it's your turn to be more like Arthur. Make something new from something old. Share your work and tag Tom Dixon Studio. We'll share our favorites.